Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I am in a multi-million US dollar long position on Bitcoin right now. And I want to be talking about what are my price targets, why actually I added a huge chunk to my existing positions, where I'm going to take profits, and also more importantly for everyone who is standing on the sidelines, what to do right now, how to profit from the situation, and what am I expecting here for Bitcoin and Ethereum right now in the immediate short term. I will be talking about all of that, but make sure you smash up once again the like button to a new all-time high. We are getting insane likes recently. Thank you so much for that. And also join the MMCrypto family here down below by smashing the subscription button, smashing the bell, and pressing on all. I want to go directly here into the Bitcoin chart. And I wanted to show you earlier quickly here, if you are new to the channel or if you have never used it, we have a welcome bonus here. If you want to be trading just as I'm doing it and all the others here, in the pinned comment you will find $700 US for free. It is this comment here. If you click the Bybit Femex Judex link, you get $700 in bonus. You can trade with the bonus, you can withdraw the profits for free. And I saw hundreds, probably thousands of people down below trading with bonuses and making significant profits in the last 2 months. This is basically free money if you're not touching your own money. And of course, if you're experienced, you might as well do that as well. But please apply proper risk management. But recently it has just going completely parabolic. And I'm very happy to see you, the MMCrypto family, being so successful here based upon our predictions. Let me go straight here into the tell you exactly what I'm looking out for Bitcoin right now. So this is the 4-hourly candles, and I eliminated all the noise I actually had here. Let me quickly go back and open the chart here. So what you can see here is the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. And that's the wrong chart, sorry. So this is the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. And you can see actually here this parabolic run towards the upside, towards the end of the cup and handle pattern. And what I was talking before was this cup and handle pattern. And yesterday actually accurately, perfectly here adjusted that we have a new neckline at the all-time high, because this was the new handle. Before we had this as the handle. So what I was telling you is the safest trade is to trade the new all-time high. Why did I say so? And I will talk about my price targets, about my exact take profits. Well, look at this this yellow line here. When we broke above the all-time high with volume support right here, we never came back, not even here in the dump. You are in significant profits. Trading the all-time high is usually a good thing for Bitcoin. Not always, right? Not always, but many times, because you know the saying, show me a new high, I'll show you a buy. And wherever you look at, also here, this is what I was saying yesterday. When we are breaking the all-time high, you never see these prices again. And I could go back and do the same. Unfortunately, that doesn't work for Ethereum. I will tell you exactly what to do for Ethereum. But what you can see here is, I would personally, that is what I would do. If Bitcoin breaks this rule, I would personally take some chips from the table. So a stop loss below the previous all-time high could be a reasonable thing. But I mean, I don't play with stop losses. But if you want to go the safer approach, stop loss below the all-time high could be a nice thing. So if you are then riding this one completely towards the upside, I want to, of course, show you also my my specific price targets here. So let me take out the FIB retracement and pull this from the low. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the perfect trade exit strategy, because we are in a severely profitable trade. Thousands and thousands and thousands of you. So we need an exit plan. An exit plan other people don't have. Otherwise, the market is front running us. So what I would do is I would continuously scale out 10 or 20% of your quantity at the 1.272, the $62,000 level. The next one at the $64,000 level. Now there's a connection error. This is perfect. Nice German internet quality here. $64,000 level. And the next one, and this is actually the price target where I would take the most profits, is the 1.618, the $67,500 level. And then I would let the rest rise to, what a coincidence, the 2x Fibonacci extension level is in perfect. I mean, I could zoom in. It's the exact US dollar amount, the exact US dollar cent amount at 73,338. I would take profits slightly below and then scale out of the trade by taking profits on 3 different profit taking areas, just to make sure that no matter what happens, the MMCrypto family goes home in significant profits. Let me quickly turn that back. In significant profits. So we are in that profitable trade trade, we have our stop loss, we have our take profits, and with that way we can just be the winner as always, like in the last 1 year or so. I think all our trades are profitable on Bitcoin, not all on Ethereum, but on Bitcoin they were all profitable. Talking about Ethereum, and guys, please, I make 3-4 videos a day. I basically have no life anymore. This is because I just love it, but also I'm doing that, I'm dedicating my full life to it. All I'm asking for, smash up the like button, and of course, if you want to support the channel even more, share the video with your friends. And of course, you can use this bonus here down below, $700. It's a bonus link for you. We get a bonus, you get a bonus. This is a fair deal, I think. So make sure you take advantage of that. Let me quickly talk about Ethereum. But before, I wanted to remind you on one single thing I was talking about for a very long time. People were actually laughing at me. And it's this chart here. People were actually laughing at me here on the daily chart. You can see it. And I was talking about these big people like Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy buying in, and you can see that every single time they bought in, we never saw these prices again, and this is a little bit changing. But what did not change is that Michael Saylor probably ended up with an amazing buying opportunity again. The price dipped a little bit below his purchasing price, but I mean, whatever, right? Whatever. And I told you, this is once again a nice signal of confidence in the market. And well, what happened? We broke out towards the upside. When these big people are buying, this is always amazing for the Bitcoin price because we get crazy confidence in these specific price levels. But I am not leaving you hanging. I know that many of you guys are interested in Ethereum right now. So let's talk about Ethereum. Let me go over to the 4-hourly candles for Ethereum. And we had a very similar pattern on Ethereum forming as well. Also this cup and handle pattern, which is actually about to break. Look at this. It didn't break yet. It is lagging behind. We have this cup here and this handle, and it's still valid. If you actually joined in the trade right here, well, you are in profits already. But I think this is not the safest approach. The safest approach is either trading this neckline or the best of the best, but you will have a worse entry position, is trading once again here the previous all-time high. It is not as safe as for Bitcoin, guys. When you enter the trade in Ethereum, expect to be stopped out. Honestly, you can do it. You can be much more profitable than on Bitcoin, but sometimes you get stopped out. If you, for example, traded here, the breakout of the all-time high, the price went below again. So this happens every now and then for Ethereum. Ethereum is not as easy to trade, but when we are breaking out big times. And when we are breaking out, you're making huge profits. My profit target is here actually approximately, look on the top left side, at the $2,500 level. But the same thing goes here for Ethereum. I would actually scale out of the trade just to make sure, and you can do that easily, like with limit orders, or you can just go to the chart every now and then and scale out short into the long position. And if we are pulling out the Fibonacci extension level here once again from the swing low to the all-time high, you can see once again amazing confluence at the measured move price target is also the Fibonacci golden ratio, the $2,500 level. What a coincidence. Personally, I would scale out here once at the all-time high a little bit. If you are in a profit, if you are opening your trade there, well, your scale out prices are these exact three prices: $2,241, $2,345 and the $2,500 level. Always do keep in mind, let me quickly scroll back here. Please always keep in mind that scaling out of the trade on these settled futures, which I have the links to in the pinned comment down below on Bybit, Phoenix, wherever, you are settled in Bitcoin, you are settled in Ethereum. If you are scaling out, it is not a mistake, because if the price goes higher, you still make profits. If you take profits in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, and the price goes higher, so what? You still make profits, nominal profits on these specific profits you have taken in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Please do keep that in mind, guys. Don't get too greedy. We made amazing profits, and the reason for that is that we have proper risk management. Sometimes I am waiting 2 weeks on the sidelines. People are bored. They say, Chris, tell me the next target, tell me the next entry position. Well, and then we are in this sideways downwards phase. The market is losing money and we are standing on the sidelines. This is the way to go. And right now is, of course, the moment to take action. I am taking action right now, and I want to talk about my trades quickly as well. So let me go into my trades. This is my trade over on Phoenix, $2.5 million in a profit. On the top left side, you can see it 43 Bitcoin approximately already. But look at this. You can see the green number here on the left side, long for 4 million. This was a $2.6 million trade. I put in another 1.4 million. So this is 4 million in quantity, 2.5 million in profits. So this is 6.5 million US dollars here on this specific trade. And then I have another one over on Bybit. It is right now 700,000 US dollars in profits. And on the bottom side in the middle, you see 1.13 million US dollars in contracts. Then I have also other trades open. I have another trade open with $800,000 in profits in Bybit. I will show it to you later on. And then 2 more trades over on Femex, and my legendary one is closed. So altogether approximately 9 million US dollars in quantity and profits on these trades. I just scaled up a few more million US dollars because I had lower entry positions. So if you are doing that, maybe apply a proper stop loss. But you can see I still have confidence in the market because I'm riding these long waves here, and that's where the profits are coming from. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. This was truly a special one. I didn't open a new trade, or I didn't add to the position for quite some time now. Now I did it. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Share the video with your friends. Make the MMCrypto family bigger, and leave your favorite altcoins down below. After every run for Bitcoin, when we are going into the sideways phase, this is the moment to trade the altcoins. And we are in this run for Bitcoin now, but we have to prepare. Where are new entries for altcoins? So I want to definitely have a look at that. When the next run for Bitcoin is over, we have to look at the altcoins again. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And once again, guys, just quickly, I uploaded a video just a few hours ago. This video here, make sure you watch this video. It is completely exploding. And people are saying below, this is not my words, that this is the most important video I have ever done. Make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching. And we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always. Oh, I go to the barber. I know I have to. Bye-bye.